How to fix no DP signal on Dell Monitor. So, to be able to fix this issue, first thing you can do is to restart your devices. Close all the files on and windows on your computer, and then click on the Windows icon and then click power and then select restart. And then disconnect the power and DP cable from the monitor and CPU. Wait for 30 seconds to drain the extra power. Now reconnect the power and display port cable to your CPU and monitor. Turn on your monitor and start your computer. Second is to adjust the monitor input settings. Dell usually supports 4 types of cables, including DisplayPort, HDMI, DVI, and VGA. First, identify which cord you're using. Next, locate the source or input button, which is usually located in the middle or right-hand side of the monitor. Now use the menu button and locate input source. Now select DisplayPort from the list. Now press Windows and I to open the Settings app, go to System and then select Display. Under Related Settings, select Advanced Display, and then locate Choose a Refresh Rate and select the rate you want. Another thing you can do is to update or reinstall your monitor driver. To do that, press Win R on your keyboard to open the Run window, and then from here, go ahead and type in dev mgmt.msc and click on OK to open the Device Manager app. Click the monitor's category and expand it. Right-click the monitor driver and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Go to the monitor category, right-click the driver and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm the action and go to Action, then choose Scan for hardware changes. And that is how you can basically fix no DP signal from your Dell device monitor.